Hey yo, YouTube fam, welcome to today's video. Today we have for you a look at a demo of a game called Vengeance, which is made by 314 Arts. In this game, it's a Call of Duty-like game made on Unity, and actually 314 Arts actually made the assets that you can actually see in this demo you're about to be presented with. In fact, I am thinking of actually making my own FPS game for Unity using said asset pack. It is a $60 pack, which is why I started Patreon recently. So, and I would like to say thank you to those of you who joined us for that particular portion of the last night's stream, including Kyle, Jake, Hasigo, who always plays with us Fortnite, and Bryce, of course. So if you like this particular video, drop out that like, drop that share, and hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to always live life to the fullest. I'll see you on the next video that we produce here. Enjoy. Today's look at Vengeance. But I'm gonna tell you now, I'm gonna add controller support because I know how to program it already.
Okay, be careful.
There's supposed to be some control. It's really fast.
We lost Alpha.
Well, you can't see it. And you can rank up in here. Oh.
I'll give it a try.
It's a free game. I'm into free game anyway. Those are impossible. I like how I do every time. Odds are like level 50.
Yeah, I guess you're like in focus mode right now.
Kind of.